Hi everyone, my name is Rebecca Shisama. I'm a fourth year medical student at Myeongsung Medical College, and today we're going to discuss the basic ECFMG registration. So this is where you're going to start if you want to pursue a residency in the US. So I'll run through the steps and let's go through it. So I've divided it into 3 parts. First is checking if your medical school is in the World Directory. Then we're going to see how to get your USMLE IDs. And finally, how to be ECFMG certified. It has 2 parts. It has an online part and a notary cam part. We will discuss that later on. So to check if your medical school is in the directory, you go to the website wdoms.org, and this is where you're going to check. So the website's going to look like this. You're going to enter your country, your medical school name, and your city. And for instance, this is my medical college. If it is in the directory, you can proceed with the next part. So how to get your USMLE ID? So the first step is to go to the website ECFMG.org. And in the website, it's going to look like this. You're going to click on Online Services, after which there's going to be an option for physicians and for medical schools. You're going to click on the option for physicians. Okay. After that, you're going to click on Use Interactive Web Applications. So this is where you're going to start to obtain your USMLE identification number. So to apply to this, the only thing you need is an unexpired passport. So if you have that at hand, we can proceed with the next part. So here, you're going to go to the option if you've never been issued a USMLE identification number and want to request one. So you will click here and we can start. So there's going to be instructions on providing your name, your contact information, and the like. Please be sure to read through these very carefully and make sure that you have your current unexpired passport on hand. So after that, you're going to enter your personal details into the application. You're going to add all of your personal information here. So another thing is just be careful not to make any spelling errors or not to make any mistakes. And please be sure to match your name as it appears on your passport. So make sure to, before submitting it, just review it once, making sure that you haven't made any errors. And after you've done that, you can submit your application. And you will receive your ID within 10 to 14 business days. And you will receive it via email. So after you've received your identification number, and I think there's going to be a password, you're going to make your own personal password. After completing that, we can go to the part on how to be ECFMG certified. So you will go to the interactive web applications and you will enter your ID number and your password, and you're going to log in. And then you're going to apply for ECFMG certification. So you're going to click on Submit an application for ECFMG certification. After that, you're just going to follow through and make sure that your name appears exactly as it appears on your current unexpired passport. You're just going to keep filling out all of your personal details, making sure that they're correct and they match the ones on your current unexpired passport. So you will continue filling out all the information and you will proceed to payment. And finally, after you've paid, that means you've completed the online part of your ECFMG certification process. So after that, you will get an email of a form 186 And on this form, on this PDF, there's going to be a link for NotaryCam. This link is going to be in your PDF. Click on that and you will reach to this website. So you're going to click, I want a new account. And you're just going to enter your information, like your email, your name, and such. So it will ask you if you want to be notarized immediately or if you want to schedule it. So that depends on you. So you need 3 things. You need a PDF of your Form 186. You need a scanned or image of your passport and a computer with a webcam. So if you have those 3 things, and if you're, well dressed, because it's going to be a video call to notarize you, if you're well dressed in a well-lit room with a good internet connection, you can notarize immediately. If not, you can schedule your notary at a date and time of your choosing. So the notary is going to be a video call, as I've stated before. They're going to ask you a couple of questions. You're going to show them your passport. Also, there might be a signature part. You're going to sign that online and you'll complete your notary process like that. And afterwards, that means you have completed your ECFMG certification. It's going to take around 10 to 14 days to get an email from ECFMG notifying you that you've completed everything and that your Form 186 is verified. So mind you, it might take less than 10 days or more than 14 days. If it takes more than 14 days, make sure to email them and to check if there is any reason for the delay. And yeah, so that after that, you're ready to apply for your USMLE exams and take the next step. So thank you guys for listening. I hope this was helpful. See you next time.